镜头来澳洲昆士兰北部正在做大水，目前已经知影造成一个附近人死亡，也有几千人已经离开家园。气象专家是表示，这个所在有可能是60多年来上界严重的淹水灾情。
大雨落袂停，水一直对悬的所在下来，速度阁真紧。山坡顶真侪石头过来了，路拢损害。昆士兰首府布里斯本一条溪流的水位上升，官员讲，昆士兰北部以前从来就唔捌经历过这么大规模的大水。这么水偌强，唔是大家关心的，大家关心的是会阁偌久。
Living in what's known as the black zone in the Townsville area. That's those lower lying suburbs that have been identified and door-knocked in recent days. And that is to evacuate by midday, listening to warnings, responding as quickly as you can, helping out friends and family.
几多千户民众所到地势较悬的所在避难，但是大约有一成的民众留来。当局警告讲，大水的水位会继续上升，恐惊会拄到危险并且威胁性命的情形。自1月31日到，昆士兰东北部部分地区已经落超过1000毫米的雨量，是这个地区60年来上严重的大水。
This morning, an SES boat responding to assist members of the public in Ingham capsized at around 9:20. There were 6 people on board the vessel. 5 people were recovered safely, but sadly one person was deceased.
当局有告昆士兰市地区可能会有1700栋次河水淹，有一寡甚至会淹到2楼。因若要去敦士市甲滨海城市凯恩斯之间的部分道路，这嘛已经未通，互救援工作真困难。昆士市机场到最3早起进前是关起，当地超市真侪食的物件拢已经卖了，包括原住民社区在内有几落千户无电。公安也个警告讲，要注意大水内面可能有酷鱼，因为做大水，酷鱼是4过走。公司新闻吴文玲编译。